Bilan ko sila ng toy. Yeah. Ay, ayoko ng noisy.
Hi.
I'll go. One toy per person lang Say yes muna, deal.
Hawak ko talaga.
Ay, alam mo, hindi naman talaga yan ganyan sa akin. Bakit ang bait-bait niya sa akin? Hindi niya nga alam anong pangalan ko. Jeannie, what's my name? What's my name? Ha? Tingnan mo, hindi niya alam name ko. Bibilan ko sila ng toy. Oh, what's my name first? Okay, I love you. Titang ina. Ayan sila yung mga bagets. Bilan natin ng toy. San yun?
It's in the elevator.
O baka bababa pa ng isa. San yun, te?
Tanong natin, wait lang. Ano tayo bang
Ay, na parang, sorry ang bait sa akin. Where is it? I think we need to go down pa.
You tell her. Tell that area.
I'm shy. It's just downstairs. Let's look. Let's find it. Ayan yung elevator. Ayan yung elevator. Ay, talaga naman. Ayan na, Tori. Hanapin mo dyan. Here. Dito, yung list. Meron ba talaga? Ayan yung nakita nila kanina.
Baka sa kapila. Uy, mamulong. Wala nakalagay, no?
Kanina? Nakita nyo kanina?
No, in the elevator.
Ba't wala dito sa list?
Wala, oh. No, because that's a lunch lang eh. Yung look,
Tanong tayo. Let's go. Let's go down.
Go down. Go down.
Saan yun?
Wait!
Oh, go.
It's not Hills.
Kuya, ayan.
Kuya?
Toy Kingdom. Third floor? Ay, wait. May apat ba?
Meron pa?
Fourth floor pala, Bamba. Pinakataas.
Tayo ngayon.
Ala.
It's the smallest elevator in the
Ay, ganda.
It's the smallest one. I went here and I saw the toy store.
Nalakad. Careful guys. Careful. Ay. Ay. Careful ka. Bambang! Careful! Diyos ko, Lord. Natatakot ako sa'yo. Natatakot ako. Ang hirap maging titang ina. Hi everyone! Up pa daw. Yan sila. Tori, naiinis ako sa suot. Bakit naman nag-heels ka, Tori? Oh my gosh. Oh, Travis. Say hi.
Wala.
May makeup. May filter.
You're touching is dirty. You're touching me.
hanggang 3 lang to. Kaya
Look at that.
ah.
Oh, seagull.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Ang cute nito, oh. Ang cute ng batang ko. Feeling ko doon sa kabila. Oh, wag na, wag na, wag na. Chini, what's my name? What's my name? Bongbong. Oh, tingin-tingin ka dyan. Okay. Oh, sakit na yung paa mo. Panindigan mo yan. Hold me hand. Ay, ang bait talaga. No, para bagang hindi ako. Baka dito. Ayan o, meron pang shops. I'll go. 1, 2, 3. Hala, lumilipad siya. Lumilipad siya. Hala. Hala. Ang cute. Oh, bye na. Ay! Ay!
Yay! Kailangan siya.
Ang bait.
Kahapon si Gabi.
Lumilipad siya, lumilipad siya.
Apat eh. Apat eh.
Ewan? Yeah, I'm live. Say hi. Hi. Guys, what if wala?
Let's go to Miniso na lang.
Miniso? May Miniso ba here?
Yeah, because I saw somewhere someone holding a
Miniso paper bag.
Yeah.
Siguro feeling ng mga tao, ano ko kayo lahat. Diyos ko, Lord. I-vlog na nga lang natin para hindi mukhang masyadong nakakahiya. Ito yung panganay. Tapos, ayun yung pangalawa. Ayun yung... Ay! Hi po! Sige po.
Hi, MG.
MG po. Hi, MG. Hello po.
Sorry, hindi makakasama sa Cebu.
Ay, hindi ka pupunta. O, wag na. Ititigil na namin yun.
Nakita ko sa video.
Ay, sorry. Ayan. Sige po.
Kala ko si CSO kasi hindi ko.
Ah, CSO ka? Really? Dito ka na ba?
Sabi ko, nanonood ako. Nasa GH ka? Sabi ko, wait, familiar yung tiles. Ay, sorry ko si Tori. Saan ba kayo punta?
Sa Toy Kingdom, saan ba yun?
Tiles Kingdom.
Ayun.
Toy Kingdom, di ba sa baba?
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Ang cute nila, oh. How about Travis? You say?
Rocky!
Bye po! Hala, ay, talaga, iniwan na ako. Iniwan na ako. Wait. Wah, hala, ba talaga ng araw ko? Sila. Alam nyo ba, hindi ako mahilig sa candy. Share ko lang. Pero nung bata ako, lagi ko yung nadadaanan. Hindi ako bumibili kasi mahal. FB10. Okay, ayan na sila. Diyos ko po, Diyos ko po. Tingin tayo kung magkano na yung mga toys ngayon. Magkano yung ganito? 999. Pwede no. Eto. O, anong target mong bilhin? Kakamot ka pa dyan. Anong gusto mo bilhin? What do you want? Don't know yet. Mga 1 hour kami dito, guys. Tingnan natin yung isang contestant. Hi! Anong bibilin mo? What are you gonna buy? Secret.
I think I just saw my classmate.
Where? Oh, you say hi.
She said mine.
Ay, kawawa. Baka hindi mo naman classmate, bro. Hoy, guys. Ano lang may time limit Faster.
20 minutes.
Okay.
No, it's 100 minutes.
I'm bored eh. Ay, ayun yung isa. Ayun yung isa. First Dino Bam Bam, sabi. Ito yung sundan natin. Tingnan natin kung anong bibili nito. Ay! Uy! Balik mo yan! Walang bigat. Pawis ka na. I don't know. It's my first time here. O tara, hanap tayo. Hanap tayo, Dino. Niyan, Dino! Hala, ate! Ibalik mo yan!
Is it that one?
Nalaglag.
Okay.
Oh. Put it back. Oh, iniwan ako pagkatapos magkalat. Talaga. What's that? Roller blade? Ano ba tawag dyan, Bam Bam?
Rollerblades.
This is so cute. You want?
Yeah.
Okay. Really? Of course. How about see?
The pink one or the blue one or this?
Walang black. You wanna check other colors? Oh, there oh. Ay, parang pang boy, no?
Yeah. It's for Batman eh.
What
is the other?
You want that? The roller, ano yun? Roller blade?
If you buy me that,
Oh.
I'm gonna love you so much.
Bro, if I don't have money, will you still love me?
Yes.
Oh, let's not buy na nga. Hello po.
Yeah. I really want.
You really like that? Okay. Anong color? Parang I like this color. Go. Yeah. Your pawis na. How about Brooklyn? Gusto rin ba niya yan? You ask her if gusto niya. Wish, quiet. Ano te, bahay? Anong It's okay, I like that more. Para magamit niyo.
I don't use it. You know what I do?
Oh.
I just wanna.
You just what? Wala.
Chocolate.
Okay, I'm bored na. Bye, guys. You know what? You should get a cart.
You can tell us like someone said to me, sheesh.
Wow, feeling. Kasi naka-heels ka, tas nasa Toy Kingdom ka. Wow! Hi! Okay, magkano to? Diyos ko Lord, 1.5, tas iiwan mo lang. Gusto mo yan? Okay. Oh, what's my name muna? What's my name?
No, his name is Papa.
Me. What's my name? What's my name? May kuliti siya, kawawa naman. I'm not Auntie Berry. Bye. You don't know my name. Bye.
What do you have? What do you have?
Okay, sige, let's buy it na. Come. Kiss muna, kiss muna. Kiss muna, kiss muna. I love you. Ate, kuha ka ng card. Ate, kuha ka ng cart. Grabe naman yung pawis mo. Kawawa na. Oh, there oh, may ay no.
Change na dali.
Ayaw mo ng Hello Kitty, Bambam. Ayaw mo Hello Kitty na lang. You like that? How about this one na lang, Bambam? Ay!
Nagulat. Ay, sundo.
Sorry. Aray, nasugat pa ata. Charot. O, tara na. Ayan, o, lagay mo na dun. Pa! Quiet. Ate, hala. Kung saan-saan ko naririnig yung mga bata. Ayun si Brooklyn. Ito yung isa. What's this? What's this? Lego. Uy, you know what?
One for time.
You know what? Tori's gonna buy, rollerblades. You want that? Yeah. That one, oh. You want that? Ha? You want then? Hala. Magtago na kaya ako. Naguguluhan ako.
I really want the big one.
Okay. You ask for your size. Doon, oh. Ayun, oh. That one. Gusto mo? Ba't yan? Ito, gusto mo? Ito ata yun, oh, Bambam.
Or this.
You want this one?
Amazing.
This color? Okay. Paano yan? Yung size kaya? Excuse me po. Yung size po nito, may available. Ano?
67.
67? Hindi ko pa alam yung gantong size. 37.
I want the bike.
What do you want?
I want the bike.
Bike? Asan yung bike?
Here. I want like this.
Oh, wait.
I like this, yung color na to.
But I want like
This color.
Ito na gusto yung kulay.
Yeah.
this black.
Tingnan mo yung isa dun.
Mom, there's black.
Saan yung black?
Black ba?
Hindi ata yan black. How did you know? Oh, this one na lang. Tingnan mo yung isa. Naguguluhan. You want that one? Oh, sige. Kung ano yung gusto
I
mo.
want like this also.
Wait lang. Try mo muna yung yung size.
Okay, ito.
Parang mas bet ko to, Tori.
Ito.
Ikaw, hindi. Ikaw, anong gusto mo? Oh, yun na lang. Yun yung gusto mo eh. Yung pink na lang daw po. Apo. Okay. Kiss. Kiss. Love you.
He's doing the picture. That's why I see the nurse like,
Pawis ka na yung ano nga wipe. Oh, yung isang contestant. Diyos ko po, ayun na siya. Ayun siya.
yeah.
Ayun na isa. Lu. Ay! Ba't ganyan yung reaction mo? Uy, careful ha! Bam, careful! Ay, Tori, yun muna. Sukatin mo muna yun. You like that?
I don't know what do I like.
Oh, you choose.
This is not too fluffy. I'm gonna keep doing like this. Mama, can I try this other?
Oh, you try other. Yeah. You want that? Meron na ba siya nito?
But it's too hard to control.
Ano lang yun. Ito.
It's too hard.
Oh, you
I
try.
like this more.
Oh, sige.
Hindi ka size ko.
Hingi ka ng size mo. Here ka, Travis. Come here. Here ka. You fit it here. May sumisigaw dun. May sumisigaw dun. Ah.
Hindi na alam ko.
Wait.
Yeah, 4 pa kasi anak ko eh.
Uy, careful. Hala, si ate mo. Sir, pwede po ba hingi ng size niya?
Sige po.
Kasya sa'yo, Travis?
Is it masikip or not? No? Sure? Eh, pag may socks ka pa. Sure ka ha? Baka mamaya maluwag. Okay. Po! Uwi na ako. Asan na yung isa? Alika, hanap tayo. Ate, tingnan mo yung kay Tori kung kasha. Let's go. Travis, ikaw, okay ka na doon? O, ba't yung mata mo tumitingin-tingin pang ganun? Oy, careful.
Dirt bike.
You have, nakakabili lang ng daddy mo dun, oh.
What you mean?
Hoy, you have bike na.
No, dirt bike. I don't know what to get.
Ay. You chill. You chill. Okay. Hoy, Travis. Ayoko na, Lord. Ayun yung isa. Buti na lang yung isa. Tapos na, oh. Yung isang bata doon. Tapos na siya. Oh, ano?
I'm gonna try this one.
Ay! Attitude! Travis, help mo si Brooklyn. You like it? It's the what? It's the last. You'll get used to it. Pero the size, is it okay?
Hi, Dad.
Yes, I buy it for you.
Hi for me.
39. Tori, sure ka ha? Sige, okay na po. Isang ganyan. Oh, ito na lang. Si Brooklyn na lang. Diyos ko po, pinapawisan na din ako. That one?
I don't know what's better.
Ano ba yung pinagpipilian mo?
I want something that can move like that.
Oh, edi, check ka pa. Can you help Brooklyn? Ano daw yung gusto niya? Ay, yung mas okay. Oh, try mo muna dito. Careful ka ha, baka may mabangga. Here, oh.
They will be shocked at me when I go to roller skates. Because my friends don't know I roller skate.
Wow, you know how ba? Yeah, lo. Tori, naka-heels ka talaga. Don't run. You like it na? Ala.
Can I try?
No, you can't. Tingnan mo yung shoes mo. Oh. Ano, yan na?
Yeah. So cute.
You like that?
But it's dirty lang.
No, may bago niyan.
Gaga.
Ano? Ano? Sure ka na?
Yeah. Thank you.
Wag. Bala kayo dyan. Pag may na-disgrasya, uuwi talaga ako.
I know how to break.
May break ba yan?
No.
Eh, paano?
I just put my feet like that.
Oh, try it again. Kung okay siya. Dali. From here to there. Go. Galingan mo. Careful! You like it? Oh. Ha? You check pa. Baka, may iba ka pang gusto. Dali. Tingin ka pa ng ibang color. Baka ibang color yun. Eh, red yan eh. Red ba yan? Po.
I think the one in the right. Look, the one right.
Okay. Wow!
The one like this.
Oh, sige, whatever you want.
Pink and
Purple?
mint.
The green one?
Yeah.
Ano ba talaga?
Because there's no available na.
Ay, wala na daw.
Yeah.
O, check tayo saglit.
And I don't like the purple one because it's the purple one naman is dark eh.
Wala na daw.
Size mo yung kulay lang.
Display na lang po, ma'am, yung pink.
Pero
Yun.
ito yung pinili niya. Same size naman.
Okay. Anong color yung pinili niya? Sorry.
Ganito siya mamaya, may touch ng green.
Sige. Tori, this is okay.
I don't like. I just want
Okay.
to do.
Oh, sige, okay na po. Thank you po.
I want this.
Ha? You want this? May stock po nito.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Bonbon.
Ay, ito.
Thank you, Bonbon.
Ito na yan mismo.
Thank you, Bonbon.
Okay, I love you. You're welcome. Scooter sa'yo. Birthday mo ba? Magkano yan?
3599.
Siya yung, sa kanya yung pinakamahal.
Toy king ka ba?
Wala po. Okay lang po. Hindi na po ako babalik dito. Tara na. Okay na. Lahat po sila meron na.
Ito po, ayan, tsaka yun. Tapos yung isa sa, ayun, basic.
Okay. Let's go.
Ito ma'am. Ito pa ba?
Nasaan si Brooklyn? Brooklyn! Anong tinitignan mo pa dyan? Hoy! Ano yun? Brooklyn, sure ka na doon? Check mo muna.
Try first.
You're sure na?
Try it.
Sure na ha? Tara na.
I'm looking lang.
Stop. Stop looking na. Ang mga spoiled brat. You like it? Heavy? What's my name? What's my name?
Bamba, pamasko na yan.
No, this is Sky.
Kayo, te, may gusto kayo dito. Sige, tara. Go, wait lang, wait. Sige, tara. Go, wait lang, wait.
Game Tori lang.
Sige, tara.
Sexy Tori. Nakahil.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Wait lang, yung gamit ko. Napagod ako. Why? Why sorry? Ha?
Said you're not gonna go back. Sorry.
Wait lang, Tori. Pinapawisan mo. Let's go.
Bagsakan lang ah.
Mami, lagayan po.
Akala mo talaga nanay ako, no? Ano po?
Lilagayin po sila.
Wala. Ano po?
Lilagayin po sila.
Wala. Ano po?
Lilagayin po sila.
Wala po. Wala. Wala. Hindi na po. Hindi pa po nanong pangkain, Torn.
Extra advantage wala ba?
Wala.
Plastic.
Red color na lang.
Sabi yung plastic.
Ay, yes, pwede po isang plastic per, ano?
Separate na lang natin.
Separate na lang.
Separate plastic 1, 2, 3.
Kailan din yun? Kailan din yun, di ba? Kailan din yun, di ba?
Hindi kami ng plastic, sir.
It's so mahal. Just kidding. 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 Just kidding.
What? After it's her birthday?
Huh?
It's her birthday after Auntie Trixie?
Yeah, it's my birthday after Auntie Trixie.
We're cooked. Brooklyn, we're cooked.
Anong we're cooked?
Cooked. It's after Auntie Trixie's birthday.
Roller na lang kay Brooklyn.
Wait, Auntie, can you phone?
Ako na. I can do it. Hi. How about me? Wala akong gift. How about me, kids? Oh, hug na. What will you say?
Thank you. Thank you. It's you.
Cute. Okay, I love you.
Nabubudo my chocolate, Nabubudo my chocolate,
Sinong, si Kuya Bob ba? May kontak ka sa kanya?
Mirap.
Temera, saan kayo susunduin? Kaya nga, ang daming dala, oh. Hala! Eh, di ako pala tatawag. Naka-live kasi ako. O, sige na. Bye-bye! Ako na nagbayad. Ako pa nagbitbit. Wag na.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Okay.
Brooklyn!
Are you want new clothes? You want clothes?
No, nah.
Okay.
Mama. Titi Kiwi, go. Titi Kiwi, go. From Brooklyn. Mama?
Saan tayo dumaan? Yeah, here. Ay, asan na si ate? Wala na.
Mama, I don't like to go to school.
Ay, ba't may tinitignan kong bawa? Lalaki.
They're hiding from the bulldog. Mama, I don't like to go to school.
Aray ko. Sorry, oh, binigyan nila ako free.
I'm sorry.
Oh, why are you saying sorry? Oh, sa'yo na, you want? You want? Chocolate drink.
Sorry, Bonbon.
Why ba?
Because I wasted your money.
Oh, balik ko na.
No.
It's okay. I want you to be happy.
I'll give
Kasi-
you 100K na lang I'm gonna steal from my papa.
No, that's bad.
I mean, I'm gonna ask my papa na lang.
It's okay. I love you. That's why I'm working hard. So I can spoil you. I can buy you whatever you want. Oh, pagod ka na? Akin na. Joke! Asan na yung plastic niyan? Akin na yung isa, te. Akin na yung kay Travis. I wanna try this, but I'm on a diet. Yan na naman si Ching.
Hello. Hello. You can see me.
Ang cute-cute ni
I want
Genie!
to take a picture with this tayo. Another family na. Why are you holding Travis toy?
It's heavy. Kawawa naman.
Hey guys, let's go here. Mama, Mom, get some water.
Where?
There.
O sige na. Bye everyone! Bye!